Alright guys, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Authentic right here. So in this particular video we'll be talking about this project, or let me say this update called Seed. So if you know you participated in this project called Seed, then this particular video is for you. Do well to stick around this video as I will be walking you guys through on all the latest updates right here, how you can be able to connect your SEO wallet to the Seed dashboard and the latest updates in the project and everything that you're supposed to know. Alright, so but before we dive straight into this video, if this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to give your boy a subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we come up with an important video like this, you are not going to miss out. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you all for sticking around with us. All right, so this particular project is let me say they made a post, right? They made a post today, so let me just say, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Okay, it's no longer today, or let me say it's today, right? So they made a post on the 21st of March 2025 telling us that they are going to be listing this seed token on the 1st of April 2025. So we don't really know if they are for real or this is just a kind of April Fool stuff or thereabout. But all I would just advise us is that we just have to play our own role, do our own part, play our own part and be on the safer side, right? So anyhow it turns out to be, at the end of the day, we'll just see it and follow up, right? So this particular project has already mandated us to make sure that we connect our SEO wallet to this particular project. So if you are very, very active on their Discord server, you will know that they made it compulsory for everybody to connect their SEO wallet. So it simply means that there is, let me say, an underground war that is currently going on with most of these projects and turn blockchain, right? I think that's exactly what I'm trying to say, or let me say that's exactly what is happening right now. We all saw what happened between Pulse and Ton blockchain and everything, and they left Ton blockchain and hosted their project under Solana. Now this particular project called Seed has already mandated us as well to connect our SEO wallet, because that is where we are going to be receiving our token. So they made it very, very compulsory that if you want to receive your token, make sure you connect your SEO wallet, right? So now it simply means that there's a background fight that is currently going on between most of these projects and Ton blockchain, Draw of itself, and Telegram ecosystem as a whole, right? Maybe they are not abiding by the rules and regulation guiding them and stuff like that. But it's just quite unfortunate because Ton blockchain has really dealt us a very big blow, all right? But that is just it. It's already what it is, all right? So now, without wasting much further of our ado, let's just proceed with the activities of today, which is how to connect your SEO wallet to your Seed dashboard, right? I've seen a lot of people making different trials, trying to connect through their MySys browser and a whole lot of it all, but it has not been working for them. But the truth of the matter remains that in every problem there is always a solution, unless you are not the, or let me say, unless you are the one that has not discovered the solution to the problem, right? So that's exactly what I've cracked the code right here, and I'm not going to leave any stone unturned without showing you guys how to do this. So without wasting much further of our time, let's still get it done, all right? So there are a few things you need to put in place. First of all, make sure you have this app installed on your phone. Let me scroll up and show you guys. This app is called SEO Wallet, right? So make sure you have this particular app on your phone. If you don't really have it, head straight to Play Store and search SEO Wallet. Then download it, copy your seed phrase, save it very, very securely somewhere and set it up. That is the first thing. Then secondly, make sure you have OKS Web3 wallet in your phone. Then you are good to go. As simple as that. Now, let's get it done. Firstly, after you've downloaded the SEO wallet, then you make sure you have OKS. So let me just head straight to my Google Play Store and search for the OKS Web3 wallet. You guys can see it right here, OKS Web3 wallet. So make sure you have it in your phone and make sure that it is up to date, else you are going to find this particular thing difficult. So my own is active and updated. So all I have to do next is to just tap on it and wait for it to come up. All right, so it's loading up. Let's just give it some time. Let's just give it some time, guys. It's coming up. Alright, our OKS Web3 is now active, so we just have to proceed. Make sure that it is under wallet session right here. If it is under here, you just have to toggle it. Sorry guys, if it is under this exchange, just toggle it to this wallet session, okay? Then you proceed. Once you're in this particular place, the next thing you have to do is just to click on this place that they wrote discover. You click on the discover button right here. Okay, we wait for the discover session to come up. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular Seed dashboard in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just to copy the link, then come to this particular place and proceed. So I think I've already gotten the link. The next thing I just have to do is for me to paste the link right here. Yeah, and you guys can see it. https://playseedgo.com dashboard blah blah blah. So you just have to tap on the command and you wait for the website to load up. Then we now proceed with the whole thing, right? So It's coming up. All right, so once you got your interface like this, the next thing you have to do firstly is to connect the Telegram that you use to participate in this seed airdrop before you come and connect your wallet. All right, so you tap on this Telegram logo right here, then automatically it will take you to your Telegram dashboard where you are going to verify yourself, then come back and proceed with the section. So let me wait for it to take me there. All right, you guys can see seed login, but it says start right now, or start here. You tap on start, then you click on this one that says login. Then you can see the message, you have successfully authorized seed site, blah blah blah. So you just have to come back to your OKS Web3 dashboard, right? Then you proceed. Okay, so you just have to take your time and give them time to get everything done, right? It's loading up. Okay guys, and let's wait for it to still load up. You guys can see that my details is here already, authentic cryptos and a whole lot of it. So now they're asking me to add my wallet, either to create a new wallet or to import a wallet. So that's why I say that you guys should make sure that you have already created your SEO wallet. So I will just click on import wallet because I've already created my wallet. Then use this one that says seed phrase or private key. Then they say security tips, this and that. Just tap on OK button. So this is where you are going to be placing your 12 seed phrase key. Then you paste it and proceed. All right, so let me just pause this video and paste my own, then we'll proceed. Okay. All right guys, so I'm now done putting my own seed phrase. The next thing for me to do now is to click on this confirm button, then we'll proceed. Sorry guys, so I'll click on confirm right here. Then they say verify your fingerprint, and I'll verify my fingerprint. You guys can see loading wallets. Wait for it to come up as well. So they are now loading my wallet. Wait for it to come up. Simple. All right, you guys can see now they say current network is SEO network, and you can see this is the wallet that I just imported right now. So all I have to do is just to tap on it, wallet B, and you can see switch to wallet B. All right, and automatically guys, you guys will see that my SEO wallet is already connected. Now this is just that, and this is the Ton wallet that I initially connected, and this is the SEO wallet that I just connected. So once you just confirm the wallet that you imported, it will be connected for you. So they will give you option to confirm, you know, sign in and stuff like that. Then you just tap on the buttons and get it done, as simple as ABC, right? So that is just how to go about it and get your SEO wallet connected immediately. All right, so and for those of you guys that are complaining that they bought Moonbox with their seed and stuff like that, well, I don't really know the updates concerning the Moonbox right now, so probably they may bring an update. It's just like a kind of buy now pause, let's say pause voucher or stuff like that. So maybe on the process before the listing, they will give us or give you guys option to redeem it back to the token, or there is a way you can go about selling it. So you just have to stick around any latest updates, right? So I think okay, and that is just all I really want to share with you guys in this particular video, and that's just how to get your SEO wallet connected. All right, so if you really found value right here, don't forget to leave your boy a thumbs up, and if this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Kindly comment and share this video so that a lot of people that need this particular information we get to it and get it done immediately. All right, so thank you guys for coming around, thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way next time, then see you. So now if you scroll up, you guys will see, you will just see everything you have in seed right here. So I just have only 47. I don't think if I really need this though, just for tutorial sake, I just have to show you guys how everything is being done. So now you guys can see that my asset is now showing under SEO blockchain. So all you have to do is just once the transfer and listing has been established, you just have to tap on all right here, or you just put the amount of seed that you have, then you click on confirm this particular place, then you just send it out. So you guys just have to stick around our channel because I'll be getting you guys updated and activated whenever there is any latest information or updates, right? So thank you all for staying tuned, and bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.